Have you ever imagined wearing a dress that fits you perfectly because it was custom printed to your exact measurements? This is not a sci-fi fantasy, but the reality of 3D printing in fashion, a revolution that's turning the industry on its head. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, builds objects layer by layer from a digital blueprint. In fashion, it's like having a personal tailor in your computer, creating intricate designs, custom fits, and even entirely new materials that traditional methods can't touch. Let's talk about custom clothing, one of the most thrilling applications of 3D printing in fashion. Designers can now create garments tailored to an individual's body shape, ensuring a perfect fit every time. This isn't just about looking good, it's about cutting down on the waste that comes from mass-produced clothes that don't fit right and end up in landfills. But it's not just about the clothes on your back. 3D printing is making a splash in accessories and footwear too. Jewelry designers are crafting complex, lightweight pieces that are as sustainable as they are beautiful. And remember those blister-inducing shoes? Well, Adidas is now offering 3D printed shoes designed to give your feet the comfort and support they deserve. For designers, 3D printing is like a playground full of new shapes, textures, and materials. It's a chance to break free from the restrictions of traditional fabric and construction techniques, leading to bolder fashion statements from runway showstoppers to everyday wear that turns heads. And let's not forget about sustainability, one of the biggest game changers brought about by 3D printing in fashion. The traditional fashion manufacturing process is a notorious waste producer. But with 3D printing, materials can be used more efficiently, and clothes can be made on demand, reducing excess inventory and waste. Plus, many 3D printing materials are recyclable, contributing to a more sustainable fashion ecosystem. With 3D printing, the fashion industry is on the brink of a major transformation, a revolution that's reshaping our clothing from the ground up, and we're just getting started. So buckle up, because the future of fashion is here, and it's being printed in 3D. Beyond the realm of design and customization, 3D printing holds another truly transformative potential. Sustainability. Traditional fashion manufacturing has often been a culprit of significant environmental waste, with surplus production and inefficient material use. But with 3D printing, we're witnessing a sea change. In this new era, garments are produced on demand, reducing the surplus that plagues the industry. The efficient use of materials minimizes waste, as every ounce of material serves a purpose and nothing is left unused. Moreover, many of the materials used in 3D printing are recyclable, meaning they can be reused, further reducing the environmental impact. In essence, 3D printing is transforming the fashion industry into a more eco-friendly enterprise. It's offering a solution to the waste problem that has long been a thorn in the side of fashion. And it's doing so while simultaneously unleashing a wave of creativity and customization never seen before. 3D printing, with its efficient use of materials and on-demand production, is set to redefine fashion manufacturing towards a more sustainable model. One designer pushing the boundaries of 3D printing in fashion is Iris van Herpen. This Dutch fashion innovator is known for her extraordinary blend of art and technology, creating designs that defy the conventional and embrace the future. Her collections are a breathtaking exploration of form, texture, and movement, brought to life with the precision and versatility of 3D printing. From fluid dresses that ripple like water to complex patterns that mimic the intricacies of natural forms, Van Herpen's work is a testament to the artistic and functional potential of this technology. Her designs aren't just about pushing the envelope of what's possible, they're about redefining the very fabric of fashion itself. But the revolution doesn't stop on the runway. The future of 3D printing in fashion holds exciting possibilities for everyone. Picture this. Instead of shopping for clothes, you're designing them. You choose the style, the fit, the fabric, and then, with a click of a button, your unique creation comes to life, printed to your exact measurements. Imagine the freedom of creating a wardrobe that's truly yours, without the limits of mass production. Gone will be the days of ill-fitting clothes and designs that don't quite match your style. In their place, a new era of fashion that's as unique as you are. This isn't just a dream, it's a future that's already taking shape. Companies like Adidas and Nike are exploring 3D printing for customizable, on-demand footwear. And startups around the world are working on 3D printers that can produce clothing at home. With 3D printing, we could see a shift from mass-produced, one-size-fits-all clothing to personalized made-to-order fashion. This could mean less waste, more sustainability, and a fashion industry that caters to individual tastes and needs rather than dictating them. With 3D printing, we might soon bid goodbye to mass-produced clothing and welcome a new era of personalized, sustainable fashion. The future of fashion is indeed a click away. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey down 4th Industrial Avenue. It's clear that the future of fashion is being shaped by innovative technologies like 3D printing. If you're as intrigued as we are, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. We're just getting started on our exploration of the intersection of technology and everyday life. Don't miss out on the future. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Keep exploring with us as we continue to delve into the revolutionary worlds of tomorrow's tech today.